اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم. قد خسر الذین کذبوا بلقاء اللہ حتی اذا جاءتهم الساعة بغتة قالوا یا حسرتنا علی ما فرطنا فیہا وهم یحملون اوزارهم علی ظہورہم الا ساء ما یزرون. Translation is, those indeed are the losers who deny the meeting with Allah, so much so that when the hour shall come on them unawares, they will say, over grief for our neglecting this hour, and they shall bear their burdens on their backs. Surely evil is that which they bear.
People normally deny the prophets.
Beg your pardon?
People normally deny the message of the prophets. So what is meant here by كذبوا بلقاء الله?
See, that applies to every individual who dies. Or this challenge is just meaningless. Those who reject their meeting with God, that is, that they will be raised again and they will be presented to Allah for presenting their case for question answers by God in them. This is what they deny. So, what if Sa'a reaches them Baghtatan? And the Sa'a, according to these ulama, has not yet come. So, all these people who are challenged by the Quran that you will know it when it will come suddenly, do they go scot-free? And no one can bear witness that yes, there is Sa'a. So read this verse again and you will understand that it applies to everybody's death. Without their dying, they will not be able to witness the Sa'a which will happen in the hereafter. So Baghtatan is something which relates to this life. From there, that appearance Baghtatan, they cannot go back. That is the hour of their death. So the challenge is very clear. Do the people await that moment when the hour will strike and they will have to pass away? Then they will not be able to go back. And that is the time when they will see that liqa ma'allah was a certainty. It was not just, it was a hollow warning to them. It had to be. And this is what, according to the Holy Quran, happens to everyone who is about to die. Then he realizes that he is going to be presented to Allah. Then even he sees the angels of death extracting his life out of him. So all this refers to a Sa'a which everyone on earth witnesses. You understand?